Hello everyone, and welcome to probably the most important YouTube video that I have ever made in my entire life. And this video is where I'm going to describe exactly the reasons why I'm going all in on crypto. Now I'm going to also discuss the Trump coin. I will analyze it. I will show you my targets. I'll show you the range where I'm accumulating Trump coin and the reasons for it. Quite frankly, what we are seeing right now in the market, I know if you look at the chart, so without any further ado, let's just jump into it. I know that it might look a bit weird, that we had so many good news and the price is going down, but all of this is nothing more than just a huge manipulation. If you look at Solana, it's crazy, so much volatility to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside. Ethereum looks like it's dead, but trust me, what I'm about to show you in this video, it's far from being dead, like very far. And also with Bitcoin, we're going to take a look at the price action and what we were expecting as well. And without any further ado, if you look at ETF, so I'm going to be giving you, and guys, very important note, this video, please. I know that you got your own things to do, but please, this 10-minute video, watch it from the beginning and until the end. Don't skip parts so that you're later not confused writing stupid comments. So jumping straight in, if you're looking at Bitcoin, yeah, the accumulation is the same, it's all good. But if you're going to be looking at Ethereum, they're starting to slowly ramp up their accumulation of ETH. It's going to become more and more and more, and there is a reason why. And that reason we're going to discuss in due time. And let's first discuss the Bitcoin news, general market news. Then we're going to narrow it down to a few things like Trump coin and Ethereum and a few other things. So, and before I do, also wanted to invite you today for a free 2-day bootcamp. We're starting it tonight at, I believe, 9 p.m. Dubai time. Yeah, 9 p.m. Dubai time and 6 p.m. Central European time. I'll leave a link down in the description of this video. It's a free bootcamp which you can join, and basically you will learn about our approach. You will learn about how we select coins. So it's going to be a lot more detailed for beginners as well as experienced traders to get into this bull run with a peace of mind. So it's absolutely free. Come join us tonight. Probably going to be a 2-hour session today and a 2-hour session tomorrow on separate topics. So it's going to be very useful you can read about the entire plan and what we're going to discuss, the program, etc. And it's made for my community, for you guys. So come join us tonight. Now moving on to Bitcoin news, which is starting to paint the picture of what I'm trying to convey in this video and why really at these prices, even though the prices are going down, I'm really starting to deploy more and more capital. In the last few days, I didn't make any updates because I was in Egypt. I rented the Pyramid of Giza and I was meditating inside of King's Chamber. Probably we made some videos. I'll probably make a separate video about it. Insane. So I couldn't really, I was in a retreat. I was in a state of Zen. And that's why, I didn't make any update videos. So, but now in this one video, I'm going to be making the entire thing so you guys can. And then from now on, we'll have more updates coming out. So very important, just Bitcoin wise. And this is incredible. A total of 12 states right now are leading the charge to push a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And they're doing it on a state level and as well as pushing for the federal level, which is insane. And considering that Trump has launched his own meme coin, which is what I've discussed, the chances of strategic Bitcoin reserve are up tremendously. But this isn't the only thing that we are interested in because we want to make some real upside. There is no huge short-term upside on Bitcoin, and I think it's obvious. So also Bank of America CEO says that the banking industry will adopt Bitcoin and crypto if regulation allows them. And guess what? Gary Gensler is gone. He resigned. The cabinet is changing. But again, not jumping too far ahead. So I'll give you all the pieces of the pie and details. So listen carefully. Now, what is interesting is the Trump coin. So we're going to discuss Trump coin now. So it went to like what? Billions and billions of dollars of value and then of market cap. And then it dropped down crazily. And for the most part, this is because to squeeze out the leverage and to kick people out. And it's just normal. That's what they do and they make money on it. So you have to be a smart trader. You should never be jumping into anything at high prices. Either you jump in with all the smart ones at the beginning, which is hard to do, or you wait for the right price action. So I'm going to show you my price action predictions and expectations in just a second. But there has already been an ETF for the Trump coin that has been filed. And Trump listed on Coinbase faster than any crypto. It's pretty crazy, to be honest. And it's the fastest growing crypto of all time, faster than Bitcoin. So if you think that it's dead, I don't believe so. I do not believe so. So, and the speculation is that it could be part of the Bitcoin strategic reserve strategy. And it will be. And I think there will be big news coming out, just like about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is no longer even a meme coin because it's supported by such huge names that it's beyond being a meme coin. So I'm pretty sure that something like this with time will happen with the Trump coin. So, and on this note, let me quickly show you the price action on the Trump coin. So we had just an incredible upside. It went to almost to $80 just to crash down to $30. All of this is done on purpose, like all of it. It's just how it is. And in terms of analysis, just give you my overview, the prices that are interesting, for one, we have this very important resistance right here. And for us, in terms of prices, this zone, again, I'm already in Trump coin, full disclosure, I already bought it for like $100,000 or so. So it could be that it actually just explodes to our targets from here, but it's very possible it's going to grab some liquidity in this area. So this is like $30 to $36. So this vicinity, I'll buy another $100,000 to $200,000. Again, I'm not going all in, I'm not stupid, I'm using proper risk and money management. And for that, if you want to join our trading club, also link down in the description in this video, the paid club. This is where you get all the juice and alpha before everybody else. So, and in the worst case scenario, there is this order block, which is from $20 to $28. If we go here, I'll probably double the position in here just because I understand it's Trump. It's the president of the United States. This is the craziest shit ever. And it's just, even if it crashes down to zero for whatever reason, it was a good bet. So when it comes to targets, our targets is at least $100. Probably like a less realistic target is $200. So something like this, correction, beautiful entries in these vicinities as the worst case scenario, $100, $200. Very, very possible in my opinion, especially with the ETFs and everything they're doing currently. And certainly you can actually access the Trump coin also on Bybit. And if you want to claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, you can do so if you sign up with Bybit using my link in the description of this video. And most importantly, you can actually claim also up to 42% discount on trading fees if you use my link. And if you already have an account with Bybit, fine, you can always create a new one with a different form of identification for your KYC, such as, for example, the driver's license. But again, shilling is shilling, but you actually get some benefit out of this. It's a win-win. So if you choose to use this, go ahead. You will save yourself a lot of money and get yourself some cool bonuses. And you can also access the Trump coin, which is a very fun thing to do, to be honest. And I'm accumulating it personally, full disclosure. Now, moving on to the juice of this video, the juice of the juice. So I'm saying always please watch the videos from the beginning and until the end. Here is Joseph Lubin. If you don't know who that is, he's the co-founder of Ethereum and he's the founder of Consensus. So it's not some random dude. So, and what is very interesting, what he actually posted as a reply to one of the tweets, based on what he's aware of, the Trump family will build one or more giant businesses on Ethereum, not on Bitcoin, right? On Solana, on Ethereum. And they will also do things on and for other chains like Bitcoin and Solana. So the Trump administration will do what is good for the United States, and that will involve Ethereum. Considerations of how the US can support Ethereum, the most capable and largest decentralized protocol ecosystem, which is what I told you so many times. Solana is great, meme coins, pump, shmump, it's great. But the ecosystem and fundamentals is Ethereum, not Solana. It's always been like this, by far. And I'll show you proof of this right now in this video too. So, and for the benefit of the US, and perhaps eventually use Ethereum technology in government activities just as they currently use internet and web protocols. And it will happen. But this is not all. Here is an interesting fact. So if you look, this is Trump's World Liberty Finance. So he is DeFi company, protocol, whatever. And this is basically Trump's money. And what are they buying? Are they buying Solana? And despite the price action, we're going to get to the price charts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's not looking that very fantastic. We're basically in the same range for eternity now, and it looks quite scary. Oh, we're going to go to the downside. We're going to discuss this. But at the same time, they're accumulating a shit ton of ETH. They're already holding. They bought more than $100 million worth of ETH in the last few days alone. So, and it's not Bitcoin, not Solana. They also bought some wrapped Bitcoin, but the biggest holding of Trump is Ethereum. So that's why we're starting to see that ETFs are starting to pick up on this. They start to understand this. And you can track Trump's wallet right here, and you will see they keep buying Ethereum in small batches, small pieces, every single freaking minute. Every minute. Some are bigger, some are smaller, some are in thousands, some are in just a few dollars, because they're kind of masquerading it a little bit. But they're going all in on Ethereum. So, but this is not all. So Donald Trump's World Liberty also has staked 10,000 Ethereum. They are staking it. And through which protocol? LDO, Lido. And I'm also longing Lido right now. But again, for all these details, you can join our trading club or join our tonight's presentation, our bootcamp. You will learn a lot in detail. So link again down in the description of this video. So Trump is staking his ETH. And guess what? Gary Gensler has officially resigned on the 21st. And right now, all that is keeping us away from the pump we've been all looking for is just one thing and one thing only. Trump is buying Ethereum for a reason. And he's going to be ruthless with what he does. He doesn't give two shits. And it's good for us because this is the nature of crypto. Here is also a very interesting individual. You can check out his profile and see who he is. So his opinion is interesting. Again, you can take it with a grain of salt, but nonetheless, he got the confirmation tonight, it was basically on the 21st of January, that the executive orders and the ones that we want, he's like saying that our executive orders, it means for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for crypto in general, president's executive orders, his first orders of business, which are yet to be announced. And like they're all saying that the executive orders we want as a crypto community for a mega pump are within those first 200. And he says that he has no idea what made it in, but good news come ETH. So good news cometh. So Ethereum. Ethereum, Ethereum, Ethereum. It's all about Ethereum. So all we care about now, yes, you know who is selling now? The people who are scared that there will be nothing, that Trump will, fuck everybody over, and that, they will not have anything in terms of executive orders about crypto, and we're going to just dump, and then maybe at some point recover. I don't think so. I think any day, any moment, any hour, we'll see huge news that will just simply turn the market. So for this reason, in terms of Ethereum, in terms of the analysis right here, about 3,200, we're standing at a very important support. My worst case scenario right now is to close the gap right here at 3,060, and then also maybe squeeze 2,900, like something like this at the worst, or we actually turn from here as soon as the news comes. Here, you can analyze all you want. We need the executive orders. We need the news that the market hasn't even priced. It priced in the chance of it, but not it happening. So once it happens, the market will be pricing it in, and it will be absolutely monumental. And this is when actually the Bitcoin dominance will also drop. And if you look at the dollar index, it's already dropping with Trump. Because whatever Trump does, it actually is going to turn the US dollar, and this is going to be also good for crypto. And this is our expectation. And when it comes to Bitcoin, as I promised to take a look at it, it actually broke out of this beautiful range, and we're currently simply consolidating. Yeah, maybe we can go retest 99K, maybe kind of wick lower and kind of kick the last people out before the next major move to like $110,000, $120,000. But the biggest moves from the executive orders will be on Ethereum. Let's wait for it. Patience is a virtue. And again, join Bybit, link in the description of this video. Join also our bootcamp, link to it down in the description of this video. Join our paid trading club, where you get all these updates the first, because I cannot make videos every single day. And check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade any cryptocurrency with proper risk and money management. And it's free material, and you will learn a lot. See you next video.